Put your lips on mine. I love it when we hide in the pale blue sky.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl EfyaKimora here. If you're old here, I really appreciate you for coming back always, but if today is your first time clicking on my video, I appreciate you as well. But please don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notification bell for more of such educative content. From my previous video, I got here in Mali BAMAKO yesterday, and it's today morning, my first day in BAMAKO. We got here around 10 and then got to the apartment around 11 to 12 p.m. so I couldn't show you around, and it's around 10:40 in the morning today, and I've decided to give you an apartment tour, the area where it's located. I don't even know the name, so I'm going to give you an apartment tour and give you some kind of direction. That's what I'm going to do today. I'm outside of the apartment, and let me turn the camera. Okay, so there's the apartment. They have a lot of cars. You see the cars over there? Yeah, so the road is just some few steps. The road is just here. It's just closer to the roadside, so no need to pick a car. You can just walk like 2 minutes walk to the roadside. And this is the building. This apartment building. Okay. And then you see how these people, they build their houses kind of similar to the, what do you call it, the Niger one. Everybody is in and gated, fenced. So we go in. Okay. It's so scenic. I'll get the name and give it to you. I'll give you how much it costs. The apartment looks so nice, but the painting, the cleaning, I don't know whether you're in the Hamatan. Look at that baller all over, but no problem. The painting looks so dirty for me. It looks dirty for me. The place is nice. The building is so nice. It's so nice. And guess what, guys? Power outbreak since yesterday around 12, no light. I called the host. He says that's the general problem. The government, like, the electricity goes off and then comes in 10 hours time. Right now I've been able to charge my phone with my power bank, but I don't know how I'm going to transfer the files from this camera to the machine so that I can get space. I don't even know to go out today. So this is it. The power is going to come back in 10 hours time. So right now, the video I'm going to show you, there is no light to give you the accurate view of the place. So this is our room. I guess you can see this one. So pardon me, no light. It goes like that, and someone also is here, but we are opposite like this. You open the gate. There's the main gate. Then you go in like this, like that. First of all, when you enter like this, the kitchen is on your left here, and then visitors washroom. So let's get rid of the visitors washroom and then take care of the main thing. No light, so pardon me. So this is the visitors washroom. It's having a toilet, a sink. Oh, yeah. But you can't bath here. And then we go to the kitchen. The kitchen, you have your fridge, kitchen cabinet, gas. That's the gas. Looks very old. A cooking stove and the gas. There, right now there is no gas inside, so they are now going to fill the gas. Anyway, the tap. The water flows too. Okay. So that means we can just drop our. We bought some bread yesterday and it's very hard. We can just drop it inside. That's the kitchen view. And you have your microwave, kettle, washing machine is here. So this is the kitchen. This is the kitchen. And as I told you, you have your fridge. So from the kitchen, the door right directly opposite the main door is the living room. As I told you, the light is off, so I guess I have to use a natural light. I can't wait till the light comes. I have to do some other stuff here. Okay, so this is the entrance to the hall. Then this is the living room. You have your dining table. I'll take you to the top. So, and this is a couch. Very beautiful. It looks beautiful and clean too. The tiles are black. And then you have your television here. So that's the living room, the hall. If you go up like this, that is the what do you call it? The ceiling, the lighting. The lighting looks beautiful and nice. So that is that. Light is off. You've not gotten internet yet. And no gas, television, they say the whatever. So right at the hall, there is this balcony door over there. You can just open like this. Then you come outside of the hall and you come and have this balcony here. You can just come, lean. Someone is looking for him. Mademoiselle! Patty! You come. Okay. So this is the balcony. Goes like that. And then like that. That's the backyard of the house. Oh gosh, I don't want to tell you something. If you look at my face, it's horrible news. I just don't want to tell you. I just don't want to tell you. Okay, I just woke up, so yeah. This is the balcony. When you go like that, you just enter. Oh gosh. It's a nice apartment, but there are a lot of bats. There are a lot of bats. So it's two bedroom apartment. So when you go like this is the first bedroom with the king size bed, and this is another bedroom with a normal double bed. We have two here, so my other travel buddy is here, and I'm using this room. It's kind of a mess, so it's kind of a mess. Very messy. So if you come to, this is my room. Oh, I should have laid it. Guys, I'm tired. Forgive me. I should have laid it and do the video. We're very tired. We took we used a whole day, 1 day and some hours to get here from BAMAKO, from Ouagadougou. So I'm tired now. I have to scatter my gadgets, no light, so I can't charge. I use my power bank on my camera and all that. So this is the room with a queen size bed, a double bed. That is it. The room, you have the wardrobe. And beside the wardrobe there is a very long mirror where you can see your whole self. That is it. Long mirror here. And then the ceiling, you have the lighting. Yeah. Yesterday when coming, I left my slippers. I don't know whether in the main bus or the taxi we took here. I have to go and look for it because I brought only one slippers and this is my Crocs. Guys, you're tired, you're tired. And Mali is giving us this sugar life. So this is the balcony. Your window, yeah. It's a very big window where you can sit and look outside. So right now I'm sitting on the bed and this is my view. So on your right, like that, is your washroom. The right like that is the washroom. Okay, this one is disconnected. This one is working. Everything is working. Okay. Oh. They're working. And your sink is working. So I'll be going live right now. I don't know when I'm going to see this video, but when you see this video, this is the moment I'm going to go live. That live, maybe you will see someday, to share my experience with you when coming from Mali to Bamako. So if you see this video, kindly go back and check my live. I'm going to share my experience with you on live. So in the other room, my friend is still sleeping, so I'll show you when he gets up. Okay, I'll show the other room when he wakes up. Okay, so this is the second room. Okay. Okay, this is kind of having a very big bed. What do you call it? King or queen? I think it's king size or queen size bed. And then the wardrobe. And then the mirror as well. So this is it. Oh, the light. Now the light is in. So, yeah. So just the bed and the wardrobe here. With a mirror on top of the bed. The lightning. Too. And the window view. Yeah, that's the window view. They have very big and beautiful apartments around. So that's outside. It's having AC. Every room is having an AC, air condition. Then the washroom. And it's the same thing. The washroom is there. The weather here is very dry. I don't know whether the water heater is working or I don't think so. But if not tried it. The place looks dry. The weather, the whole place looks dry. So you go out, then you show you guys around. Anyway, so how much did we pay for this apartment? How much did we? We are staying here for 4 nights, 3 days, and we paid 1,892 cedis, point something coins. So in dollars, it's $121 and some cents. Yeah, so that's the price for the whole apartment for 4 nights, 3 days, 2 guests, and it's 2-bedroom apartment. So you can leave that comment in the comment section below whether it's affordable, it's okay. That's my host is here, so I have to go check. I told him to go buy internet for me. As I'm in my room, I can see him outside. Yeah, so I'm going to check the internet whether it's in. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Leave a comment in the comment section below if you enjoyed this video. I really appreciate it, and don't forget to share and give it a thumbs up. Subscribe and kindly join my channel membership, guys. I want to stop road trip because we passed through hell to get here yesterday. I want to great road trip to be flying. I want to do flight only. Anyway, thank you for watching. Join my channel membership to support me. You can support me, you can give me a sponsored trip to your country. I'll come and share my experience. Anyway, thank you, love you all, and bye bye.